Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to delete a schedule post on Twitter or X. First of all, you can open the X application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, make sure that you updated the latest version of Twitter or X app. If you can't update, you can just simply go to the App Store or Play Store and update it the latest version. So I can tell you the method to delete a schedule post on Twitter or X. First of all, you can just simply click on the plus icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and here you will see the option drafts at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it, and here you will see your draft post. You will just simply now tap on edit at the top right corner of the screen, and now you can just simply select the photo or anything that you want to delete a schedule post, and now you can tap on delete at the bottom right corner of the screen. And this is the way you can delete schedule post on Twitter or X. So there is no other method to delete a proper schedule post, or you can schedule a post on Twitter or X. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.